Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, we are unboxing the North Pole Express collection by Fancy Pants Designs. I am on their design team, so I am sent their kits to play with and show you some inspirational projects on the collection. I will do the unboxing video right now. It's always it's separate, and then the video right after this that I will post will be my first project using this kit. True to form for Fancy Pants, we have the 12x12 collection. We have an ephemera pack, the matching enamel dots, foam thickers, and the sticker book. So let's do the foam thickers first. So we have a great script font, black and white elements, checking it twice, winter. So we have a Christmas theme going on with that. Oh, I love the little chocolate. Very cute. For the stickers, we have them on white cardstock. Always have a few alphas. I like that they provide that sheet as well. And then getting stuck together, some tags, more icons, a few more title pieces, and a few more tags. You can see the color scheme, the black, light blue, like a cherry red, almost like an orangey red, not a cherry red. Kelly green and like a sage. The icons as well. So tag elements, some black and white etched ones. Is that too close? And then some colorful ones. Here's the 12x12 sticker collection. I love the little train. I love the Santa Claus. He's like vintage, but also a little modern, not completely vintage. I want the holly. I like the black and white elements too. And then this one. Very fun. And then remember, with the papers, we get 2 of each of them so that you can choose which side, in case one speaks to you more than other. But I like this one, maybe to cut apart with a good classic Christmas plaid. Almost like a good cut apart, or like layering tags. I love that too. So that could be cut apart to use. Almost like it looks like bells, right? Jingle bells. And a diagonal red and like canvas stripe. We have like vintage papers with a bicycle, green on green, or maybe it's black. No, it's like a hunter green on green. All around the world, same night. All around the world in the same night. Is that what's missing? Okay, so we have a good map. And then some hot air balloons. A good holly. And then a good, like, mixed media green background. I really kind of like, I like these two. Could I cut these out? We could probably cut those out. See, already the wheels are turning for ideas. So those are all the papers, the 12x12, the foam thickers, ephemera, enamel dots, and the sticker book. Stay tuned for 2 projects coming this month with using this kit. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, everyone, bye.